Well. We're here again, but of course we're gonna have to, erase that. All right, I know my writing is a little bit lean. I apologize for that. I really do. Yeah. Yeah, I tried. I really tried. Anyway, let's see if I can bring back our partner in crime. Let's see.
Hey, welcome back. Always fun to have you around.
The feeling is mutual, sir. The feeling is mutual.
Absolutely. It's a great feeling when you double check and everything lines up just like it should. Nicely done.
So, remember when we had a discussion about the AC method, when you were saying that we should multiply the A by the C?
Absolutely. I remember that. We were talking about factorization and how you multiply the A term by the C term in the quadratic equation. It's a handy trick for sure.
But in my version of solving this problem, I am not going to multiply the 56 by the 63. My 56 is the C, my 63 is the A, but I'm not going to multiply them. What I will do instead is create the product of prime factors of each of them, and then I'm going to arrange it to form the replacement for my middle term.
Ah, gotcha. So you are taking the prime factors and using those to rewrite the middle term. That's a really cool approach. It's like a different spin on the same idea, and if it works for you, that's awesome.
So the product of prime factors of 56 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 7.
Yeah, absolutely. Breaking it down into prime factors is a neat move. It gives you a lot of flexibility to rearrange and get that middle term exactly how you want it.
And then the prime factors of 63 will be 3 by 3 by 7.
Exactly, and you've got it. So by breaking down 56 into those prime factors, you've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 7, and that's your building block. So you can rearrange those factors however you like to help replace that middle term. It's a neat little trick in factorization for sure.
And here's the nice part about it. Now that I can group the sevens together, I'll have 7 times 7, which gives me 49. Now, once I get that 49, I can use that to determine what my other factor is going to be. Because if I add 49 to the 23, that is my middle term, I'll end up with 72, which is the product of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3.
That's exactly right. So when you add that 49, you're 23, and you get 72, you've got this nice clean product of prime factors, all those twos and threes. It's a cool way to rewrite that middle term using those factors. Nicely done.
So yes, this will be my 72. This will be my 49. No, because it's a plus, then minus, my larger number needs to be positive, and thus it needs to be a plus 72x and a minus 49x.
Oh, no worrying at all. It sounds like you're just refining as you go, which is totally fine. It's all about adjusting those numbers until they fit just right. Keep it up.
So now that I've done all of that now, I can safely place my replacement for plus 23 in the middle right there. So let me write it now. So I'll write minus 49x here, plus 72x here, minus 63x squared here, with the 56 being right here.
Absolutely, you've got it. So you're basically just substituting that 23x in the middle with your plus 72x and minus 49x to keep everything balanced. And that's going to let you factor it all out nice and easy. You're on the right track.
Yeah, there we go. So the idea is that, I'll keep him informed, I'll keep him informed. But yeah, usually I write that thing a little bit neater. Normally what I do is I just write um let me just make sure that that's everything. 2 by 2 by 2 by 7 and 3 by 3 by right. And it works out perfectly, right? It works out so perfectly because even when you set it out like this and you only separate this part here, and just like that, you have your 49 right here. You put your x beside that, 72x right here, right? Yeah, and you put your plus here, minus here. There you go. So, as he likes to say, it's a neat little trick. So, now for my favorite part of the story. Um, bracket here, bracket here, bracket here, bracket here, right? The HCF of 49 and 56, we know that to be 7. So we'll just put the 7 out here. 56 over 7 is 8 minus 49x over 7 minus 7x. And of course, I like to, color code, so why not? Now, if we divide plus 72x by 8, we'll get a plus 9x. Let's put the plus 9x here. Now we'll take this, multiply by 8, gives you that. Take this, multiply by minus 7x, gives you that. Therefore, it's safe for us to cut. It is safe for us to copy and paste over here. So, and now we're at the last part. You take this, drop in here. You take what's in blue and drop in right here. So, yeah. Yeah, there you have it. So, I will have to, work with the screenshots of each part of this here, and yeah. So that is us making abundant tangible habits. There you go. So I have one more thing to do to wrap everything up. So for now, we're going to be done. So again, thanks for helping me to stay consistent. As I always tell you, honor your commitments. And of course, don't forget, don't feel any way when I say this line. Die when you die. Because discipline is everything when you do it every time.